Hello kids, today we will practice sight words. Up, down, is. Are you ready? Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. Up, U-P, up. I look up at the stars. Again, I look up at the stars. Your turn. Very good. He picks up the toy. Again. He picks up the toy. Your turn. Very good. The cat jumps up high. Again. The cat jumps up high. Your turn. Very good. Down. D-O-W-N. Down. I sit down and rest. Again. I sit down and rest. Your turn. Very good. She puts the cup down. Again. She puts the cup down. Your turn. Very good. The dog lies down quietly. Again. The dog lies down quietly. Your turn. Very good. Is. I-S. She is my best friend. Again, she is my best friend. Your turn. Very good. This book is very interesting. Again, this book is very interesting. Your turn. Very good. The dog is very playful. Again, the dog is very playful. Your turn. Very good. Are you ready to answer some questions? Question 1. Can you spell up? UPDOWNIS. The right answer is UP, up. Question 2. Can you spell down? UPDOWNIS. The right answer is DOWN, down. Question 3. Can you spell is? UPDOWNIS. The right answer is IS. Thank you so much for reading along. Teaching Mama is very happy. Would you like to meet me in the next video? Till then, take care and bye-bye.